Dude, there's so many things going on right now.
Driving for a few hours, only got about an hour and a half left. Pretty excited about it. Stopped at the bank, got some cash, and I just talked to the owner. So I think everything's gonna be solid. The only thing is it might be a little bit dark by the time I get to really start taking it down and loading it up and all that stuff, just because it gets dark so early. And then we're probably gonna still try to stop by and see Peter and Sam on the way back here. It'll be a lot of driving, but you know, I think it'll be worth it for this baby. So hopefully we have a lot of good flights with it coming up. It seems to be in great condition. They were able to look at it ahead of time for me, so I think shouldn't be any surprises at this point. I don't know, we'll see. Keep you updated along the way here. Well, the sun just dipped over the trees, and finally about that time, unfortunately, we're going to put our lights on, but I think there's still going to be enough daylight once we get there. It's only a few minutes away now, so yeah, it's been a little bit of a long ride. My legs are hurting, but looking forward to getting out and checking this baby out. Almost there. Future Zach here, and just wanted to give some more context about the plane and specifically why I don't need a pilot's license to fly it. So you guys may know that I fly paramotors, and basically it's the same category, aka FAR 103, and it's under 250 pounds. So ultralights are a fun little corner of aviation because unlike a paraglider, I use the same flight controls as a plane. And of course, being a tail dragger, that means a lot of rudder management on the ground. This MiniMax has a nice Rotax 27 horsepower motor, cruises for up to 2 hours at about 55 miles per hour. Even taking it apart, its 25-foot wingspan and 16-foot length makes it a little bit harder to transport than a paramotor, but definitely looking forward to that speed boost. Shout out to the owner here for helping us take it apart. Now let's get back on the road to Sam and Peter. All right, well, on the way back now. It's a little dark, but got the plane. Super excited about that. A lot of driving, but it's going to be well worth it. Yep, that's a homemade electric plane. If you haven't seen Peter Streeple's genius creations, go check him out on YouTube. Paul and I wandered through his shop a bit and got a sneak peek of his ultralight build, plus a few more projects. We flew that for the first time shortly after we left, and that video is linked in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel as well if you want to see some of the new electric plane stuff we have on the horizon. Don't want to miss that. a couple hours left. Had a nice night's sleep. Paul and I just stayed at a friend's house. Nice little neighborhood where we could park the truck here. And yeah, we had some lunch, all kinds of good stuff. So almost there. The folks back home are excited to see this beast in action. So we're gonna see. It's been obviously a pretty nice day so far, so hopefully that continues this evening and we can fire it up. So yeah, almost there, and can't wait to get this out. Well, a few hours later, we made it. Oh. Whew. Still got some sunlight left, and looks like everything is still attached.